Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever found yourself frustrated with the default directory and command prompt on Windows 11? Well, worry not. In today's quick guide, we'll show you how to effortlessly set your preferred default directory. Start by searching for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to confirm the action. In the Registry Editor, navigate to hkey_local_machine. Then Software, then Microsoft, then Command Processor. Right-click in the Command Processor folder, hover over New, and select String Value. Name the new string value AutoRun. Double-click on AutoRun and set the value data to CDD. Open File Explorer from the Windows taskbar. Open this PC and navigate to the C drive, then the Windows folder, and finally the System32 folder. Copy the path from the address bar. Go back to the Registry Editor and paste the copied path next to CDD. And there you have it. You've successfully set the default directory for Command Prompt on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.